Hello students, today's lecture is about disadvantage of paper money. We have studied definition and types of paper money. Now we are going to study disadvantage of paper money. What are the disadvantages of paper money? First, brings more inflation. Paper money always brings more inflation. Government prints new notes without keeping specific reserves in their wallets. The excessive new notes printing increases the amount of money supply, which further promote inflation in an economy. This situation decreases the value of paper currency. While in case of gold standard, there are less chances of inflation. Thus, we can say paper money causes more inflation. Second, unstable exchange rate. Another drawback of paper money is instability in exchange rate. Wide fluctuations in external price against internal price negatively influence the international trade and domestic economic growth. Government adopts some policies to overcome such problems. Lack of long durability. This form of medium of exchange has faced the problem of durability because it can be destroyed by insects and fire. While in case of gold standard, people were easily stored it without any fear, so currency notes lose the feature of long lasting. Brings uncertainty. Excessive amount printing new notes bring instability in the value of paper currency. These variations in paper money shattered the confidence of people and negatively influence business and economic growth. Lack of automation. Lack of automation is another drawback of paper money because it requires government and monetary authority involvement. Without the interference of certain authorities, that medium of exchange ruins the economy. Unstable. Paper currency considers unstable because government can easily increase or decrease its supply through printing new notes while ignoring the specific reserve condition. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates.